This is the kit we've got. Here's the part numbers on it. There's way more seals and stuff in here than what I'm seeing there. Alright, welcome back to BA Performance. We're going to be working on the GS300 power steering rack today. So, it's all kind of cleaned up here. One of the first things I did was take the nut off the end here. I tried to make a tool for it. So you can see it's kind of like an octagon shape that fit in there. Then I ended up finding out that you can just spin this in. So I didn't drill my hole quite big enough. You can spin this in and fit your tool in that way. But it still wasn't quite strong enough. So I ended up just putting a pipe wrench on it, and that was the key. And then you're able to screw this nut right out of there. Now I still can't see the seal that I would assume is in there. So what we're gonna do next is take apart the other parts of it here. Starting with these lines. These pipe fittings here are 12 millimeter, and we're probably gonna have to put some heat on them. Same thing on the other one. These are 14 mil. Alright, now we can start taking this apart. Looks like some 12 millimeters. That's removed. And right here where we remove that, there's 3 O-rings. Not going to worry about them right now. We got 2 more 12 mils here. And I don't see a snap ring in there. Okay, that slides right out. You see it's got a big kind of worm drive there. We got a snap ring in there, a big O-ring on the outside there. I found a bolt that fits in there perfectly. This is the kit we've got. Here's the part numbers on it. There's way more seals and stuff in here than what I'm seeing there, which maybe we don't need it all. Oh, something's coming out. Ah. We have a Dudicarus here. I'll set it in the orientation that it came out. Alright dudes, it's like several weeks later. I'm doing a brake job on the 4Runner. The calipers seized on it. So yeah, we're doing that. So of course it's a little bit crowded in here right now. Waiting for Matt to show up so I can finish flushing the brakes on this. I've got fluid coming out everywhere, but I can't seem to get new fluid to the back. Whatever. Anyway, so we're going to work on this in our crowded little space here. What I need to do is pound the shaft out of the center of here, and then there is a seal in the middle there that we can change. Let's start by putting this half-inch extension in here and just pounding it on the floor a little bit. Alright, we were able to hammer the shaft out. There's a bigger plunger on there. And then this one in the center here is the one we're trying to change. There, you can see it better right in the center. Now this isn't a normal like rubber gasket. I forget what they said it's made out of. But it's not very stretchy. So let's see if we have a replacement. Kit comes with instructions, kind of, and then right there, parts may vary depending on rack and pinion. So the seal we're trying to change out here is number 7, I believe. And this is good because I've pretty much forgotten how this goes back together, so it's good to have a little bit of an idea here. Alright, this one looks to be the right size, different color of course. So, yeah, it's not very stretchy. It has, to me, like the feel of like a milk carton cap. So what we're going to do is put this in some hot water and try and soften it up, and then try and get this one off. Alright, we've got water boiling on the camp stove. Where did our seal go? And we're going to throw our seal in there and just let that warm up. It's berry flavored liquid death, so hopefully the fruitness helps. I'm going to turn it down a bit here. Put the other down. The other down, I said. There's also an O-ring beneath that, but we're going to leave that in there. Okay, we're taking our worm ring out. Gonna put some power steering fluid on it, just to lube it up here some. And we want to be careful not to stretch it out. And just finesse it into place. There we are. We have our ring installed. seems to be sticking out slightly farther than the other one, so I'm going to take that as a good sign. Okay, we're going to try and finesse it back in the hole there. Hopefully it goes easy. We're going to put some more power steering fluid on it to keep it lubricated. Okay, let's slide it in nice and easy. Hopefully that wasn't too easy. Alright, we've got another seal here that kind of matches. We're going to also slide that in there with power steering on it for lube. I don't remember which way that was on there. I think it was this way. We're going to use this piece to help feed that one in there. Alright, found a pipe to finish sending that one home. Okay, I think what I had next is just this one, but I am going to go back and watch the footage to verify. Alright, the kit I bought doesn't have this O-ring, so we're not going to use it, but we are going to grease up the splines here and install this piece. Alright, then we have 3 O-rings on the top here. Let's see if we can find them in the kit. Oh, right now we can reinstall this deal here. Then we can put our tension piece back in here. There's a torque setting for that, but what you can do is just kind of go by feel, and you'll be able to adjust that when it's in the car. Then we can put our nut back on the end. This time we are going to use our special tool. And then we can also put on our high pressure lines, new crush washers, and then we can put our dust cover back on. We're going to call that it for the video right now. I am having trouble finding this particular inner tie rod piece. Now I found one for $90 at O'Reilly's. That's pretty expensive, so I tried to order one off Rock Auto for like $20, but it doesn't have the same thread pitch here and it looks different here. Now I could buy the $90 one from O'Reilly's, but I can't find the specific tie rod boot that fits this one, because it's different than like a universal one, because it's bigger on the end here than your normal size, which would be, you know, like this size, because normally it would go to here. So I'm gonna try and figure out what I can do there. If I have to buy the $90 one, maybe cut this off and get the boot to fit over here, or what we can do, or figure out what this thread pitch is and order just a universal inner tie rod with that thread pitch. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.